Last night on Instagram, I had a post go live that said, what car do I drive tomorrow? The RX-7 or the Supra? 52% Supra, 48% RX-7. Looks like we're taking the Supra today.
Last night, I had a post go live that said, what car do I take? Porsche or the G-Wagon? 100% said G-Wagon. Here I go.
Oh boy. Okay, that's my issue.
Welcome back to the vlog! Here to take apart Benedict's BRZ because
Hey.
last you heard,
it's not Benedict's BRZ.
yeah, he got rid of it. TJ's new BRZ. Second BRZ at that.
Technically, it's not my BRZ.
Whose BRZ is it? Your guy? That's right! Did you tell him?
It's not
yet.
It's not yet.
We're building you a BRZ. One lucky person out there, because I'm not allowed to say it because I'm not TJ.
We're gonna give this car away.
Hey, he's gonna give it away!
We haven't started the giveaway yet, but we're building this for you guys. So we're gonna take this thing apart today. We have a mess behind us, oil everywhere. There's a bunch of,
Let's unzoom, TJ.
Today's video is sponsored by throttle.com.
You buying the kit for us? He did! Wait, we can't say that.
They don't know. But this build is gonna be sponsored by Throttle, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We're gonna pull this motor out. It's not
Today.
gonna be fun.
It's gonna be 2 hours. It's
We're
gonna be fun.
we're almost
Don't
there.
kill my vibe today, TJ. We got it.
We're almost there. For those who are not up to speed, this BRZ used to be Calvin's little brother Benedict's, but 2 weeks ago, he accidentally left his oil cap unscrewed from the top, or it fell off, we're not really quite sure, and oil flew out of the motor, pretty much drained all the oil inside of his motor, and he seized it on the freeway. So this motor is toast, it doesn't run, so we have a new motor coming in, so Calvin and I are gonna be disassembling this motor, getting it out of the car so we can get ready for the new swap. Okay, let's get to it. Harness is officially off. Now the only things left that we have to do is disconnect the transmission mounts and also remove the shifter from the interior. And then I believe just our motor mounts, and this thing should come out. We took a few pictures of the wiring harness when it was laying on top of the motor just so we could remember how to put it back.
Look at this mess.
Little spaghetti, dude.
Look at this mess.
Dude, there's oil sitting on top of the motor. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a pool of oil there.
Everywhere.
There's oil pooled up over here. So the question is, do you think when we tip this out, it's gonna pour everywhere, Cal, or do you think it's gonna be able to sit on top? I don't wanna clean the floor again. I've cleaned it like 3 times already.
You're a janitor.
I am a janitor.
You're a janitor.
Hello, me. I'm a janitor. I believe everything else is disconnected. What do you think?
I think she's free, bud.
Surprisingly enough, getting the spark plugs out the side of the block,
It's kind of easy.
Calvin did it so quick.
Kinda easy.
Pull up a video. We've never done it before, oddly
Never
enough.
done it, no.
It's actually, because it's weird, because it's a boxer motor, it's an inline 4, right? So that goes like this, rather than like a V6 or an inline 6, it goes like this, Calv. So the spark plugs are literally down there and to the side, but the coil packs.
Coil packs are there.
Super cool.
Spark plugs.
Sorry, I said we changed the spark plugs. I meant taking out the coil packs. It just looks like it'd be impossible to get out, but Calvin did it in like 2 seconds. It was pretty easy.
Easy, buddy.
So we're gonna move forward because we keep moving forward, and we're gonna disconnect the shifter, and we're just gonna keep moving forward. But first, I feel like Ricky Bobby when I wear this hat. Number 1, baby, Ricky Bobby. Gonna have a nos because just a little boost juice. A little boost juice, baby. Damn, really do be screwing up today because I didn't film any of it at all. I apologize, but I took apart the center column, took apart the shifter. Calvin went underneath the car. Calvin disassembled the trans mounts. We removed the shifter, so we should be able to pull that out flawlessly. Motor mounts are disconnected. Now we are attaching the motor to the hoist. Now this is actually something I've never used before. It's a pretty cool tool. Cal, what is it exactly?
It basically allows you to balance, because every time TJ and I have taken out a motor, the 350 motor, the SR20 motor, we would always be underneath going like this, jiggling the transmission, and that's not safe. What this does is it allows you to tilt. You'll see it.
I've never used it before, but
tilt.
It should be pretty cool. So, and it comes with these chains that you pretty much just reuse bolt holes and just make your mounts, and then you hook it up and pulls it out effortlessly. Allegedly, we'll find out. I'm excited to use it.
Okay. Now, Dad, you have to.
You just crank it.
You have to start lifting.
We're gonna get caught at one point, so let's just see where we get caught.
Not have tension on. I'm not. I don't want to be the one to support the motor. You know.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Nice, buddy. Enter time-lapse mode. Here we go. This thing made the job so easy. I can't believe we've never used that before. Well, I'm excited because I think we're gonna do a video where we actually take apart this whole entire motor. If you guys can get this video to 50,000 likes. The last time I asked you guys to do that, you couldn't do it. It took you guys 2 days to get 49,000 likes with the NOS video. I was like, if you guys can get 50,000, Calv, we would do a 500 shot, and they couldn't do it. They got 49. So if you guys can do it this time, 50,000 likes, Calvin and I will disassemble the whole entire motor and look at what's inside.
It's not gonna be good.
It's not gonna be good. It ain't gonna be good at all.
This is our car. Like, we started here.
It's just so cool to see this motor after never pulling one ourselves and just seeing how small it actually is. I mean, if you imagine it this way, you know, an inline sixes, I mean, this is still even way taller if it was an inline six, but I don't know, it's just cool to see how skinny and how flat plane this is. The boxer motor is definitely a very unique car and
legendary,
a very unique type of motor, and I love them. Super cool. So this car is still a mess on the underside. Now that the motor's out, we're gonna take advantage of that, and we're gonna clean the bay, and we're also just gonna spray down all this other oil residue. I'm gonna be using Meguiar's Citrus Power Cleaner Plus. This stuff is amazing. It pretty much eliminates all of that slime and sludge and cleans things up pretty well. So I'm gonna douse this, spray it off, and then we'll go ahead and spray the inside of the bay. What do you think about this, Kyle? Should I spray it? This is like,
that's like
cotton.
Scuffed.
But it's like disgusting. It's already wet. We should
yeah, might as well make it more wet.
Might as well make it more wet. And I think that's better than leaving it like this. Look, it's like supposed to be that color, and it's just like doused.
It's
gross.
It got a Benedict special done to it.
Dude, the Ben special?
The Ben special is a grease.
Leaves. I'm just confused on how.
He's trying to grow a thing in there.
A thing?
Yeah, like a plant.
A nursery?
It's a greenhouse.
A greenhouse effect? All right, let's douse this down. While we have the opportunity to clean this down, I'm gonna go ahead and do it just because when we put in the new motor, we're gonna wanna know if we're spilling oil or spilling coolant or anything like that. So Calvin just used that same spray that we just used outside. So we sprayed the whole entire bay, and now I'm gonna start wiping it down and do my best to just try and clean up any leftover residue, go through a couple of these towels and just clean it up. It is a mess. Dude, all these hoses are all like oily. How does the shock tower get oil on it, Calf?
I don't know.
Do you think it was like boiling out the top?
It was probably spitting out the top.
Oh, dude, it's gonna take like multiple sessions of wiping stuff down. You know what I mean? To like get all of it.
Yeah.
There's just so much crap.
That's why I don't want to be in there.
Yeah. Ripped all the clothes I'm wearing. It is gonna be destroyed. It's wiped down for the most part. It's gonna be leaking overnight. And the motor should hopefully be here in the next few days. Then the new motor goes in, and it's time to build up some more power in this thing. We're gonna leave this sitting on the ground until the new motor comes in. I'm super satisfied. We did that fairly quick. Good job, team.
That's right.
Can I get a little ski pop pop? It's been a few hours since I picked up the camera, but we went to dinner. And Sabrina, where are we right now?
A happy ending massage parlor.
I guess you could say that because I can't show the name of the place because then I don't trust what you guys will do if I tell you the name of the place. But happy ending boba, baby. Let's go.
You can't show.
I know. I just said I can't show the name of the massage parlor place just because
you're showing to where we're going. Everyone's gonna know.
Well, if you put it that way, Kevin.
Well, duh.
You didn't order for Sabrina?
It's about to go down. It's about to go down. You never told me to get her anything.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, you did. I was like,
no,
yo.
No, you didn't.
Mango, yes, I did.
The mango something with boba boba.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mango something with
I
boba
was like,
boba.
Not true.
I was like, TJ,
Oh no,
I
I'm gonna get in so
told.
much trouble
He's
right
told.
now.
I said it.
No,
I
you
have the
didn't.
brothers. The brothers
I have
have my back.
Brianna was like, wait, so no one wants anything? I was like, no one told us anything.
I did.
No one told me.
no one told him, he says.
Yeah,
Bree, back me up, Bree.
Hey.
Yeah, mango boba boba, right?
My mango jelly flush.
There you go.
Alicia, open the door.
You didn't get
Wait a minute. Babe,
She doesn't know how to open the door.
right here.
Wait, TJ, you forgot to order it?
Shut up. I know that you don't with me because we were talking about how no one wants anything and why are we here if it's just me and you ordering.
You're right.
This doesn't have milk in it.
What?
Sabrina.
Okay, no.
Sabrina.
It's Kevin's fault.
No, I heard it. That's how I caught.
Yeah, but no one told me. Just because you heard it doesn't mean I don't.
I yell at you. You made eye contact with me, and then you're like,
No, I couldn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't hear you. Sabrina,
Exactly what happened.
I didn't get you anything, but I was not told to get you anything. But you can have mine.
Wrong.
You can have mine. You can have mine.
No, I
Damage control.
I told Kevin.
Yeah.
Kevin didn't tell me. Ask Bree. Ask Bree.
Brianna.
Bree was with you the whole time.
Sabrina, you can have mine since this is.
Bree, what the? That's f***ed up. No, he didn't. He didn't. Okay, you know what?
TJ,
Damn.
you're in the doghouse.
I'm laughing.
I don't know what you're doing. You're in the doghouse now. It's raining. Can we get in our car?
Yeah, I'm just like soaking this Alcantara.
I'm getting rained on.
Okay, Alicia, get out.
Did you drink your Hokkaido? I mean, your oolong.
Can't.
Unofficial review of oolong tea from Shared Tea. It's really watery.
You like the, you probably like the black tea more than.
I essentially just
I screwed up. Normally Kevin orders my drinks for me.
I'm gonna close this so that
He
it
panicked.
doesn't get-
He panicked today.
This is TJ. There's too many choices.
Yeah, I didn't know what to get. Yeah, it's, man, okay. Yeah. Adios, fam. All right, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you are enjoying the BRZ Rebuild series, be sure to smash that subscribe button so you get notified every time we upload a brand new video. And be sure to leave a comment down below if you like what you're watching because it tells me that I know I'm doing a good job. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much. Peace out and keep moving forward.